Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to make a 4-layer mask without stitching. You will need a normal cloth. I'm going to use a cloth from a cotton bag as it is a non-woven cloth. You can also use a normal cloth. The width is 10 cm and the length is 18 cm. This is the non-woven cloth. It is made out of thick and thin fiber. In the between, I am going to put a dry baby wipe. The wipe has many fiber which will help to filter the air. Now put some glue in the corner so it doesn't move. Take a normal electric wire, place it on the top and put some glue on it. Now put some drops of glue around the wipe. Now put some dots of glue at the right side and press it instead of stitching. Do the same at the bottom and the left side. The wire will help to bend on top of your nose and give a shape. Now I'm going to draw my drawing here. You can draw whatever you like. I am drawing a spider net. Now I'm done with my drawing. Now bend your mask and put 1 centimeter of glue. Stick and press it. Bend the other side and put the glue. And press it. Do the same at the other side. Now after you're done, your mask will give a shape of your face. Now you can put some glue and attach a thick string to put across both of your ears. You can also use an elastic thread or even a rubber band. I'm using a thick string. Now my mask is ready. Press on the nose and you're done. I hope you liked it. Friends, like the video and share it to your other friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get early notification